Experiencing Roblox stuck on the loading screen or encountering a black screen on your PS5 or PS4 can be frustrating. These issues often arise from a mix of factors, including server-side lags, compatibility problems between Roblox and PlayStation hardware, and even your own network setup. Think of Roblox as a platform primarily designed for mobile and PC, and adapting it to consoles can sometimes cause hiccups. These problems are often related to slow internet protocols or server-side issues, where the PS4, PS5 is waiting to sync data. The black screen issue can arise from rendering failures, console overheating, or running out of RAM, which is often exacerbated when playing legacy titles. Key takeaways: loading issues often stem from server lags or compatibility. Black screens can result from overheating or RAM issues, and understanding these causes helps in troubleshooting. Let's walk through some solutions to get you back into the game. First, start with the basics. Restart your console completely. This often clears temporary glitches. Next, make sure Roblox is fully updated to the latest version, which is 2.662.0 as of September 2025. This addressed console-specific bugs. Check your internet speed to ensure you have at least 10 Mbps for stable gameplay. If that doesn't work, try clearing the cache within the Roblox app or reinstalling the game entirely. For more advanced troubleshooting, you can rebuild the PS4 PS5 database via safe mode, which helps clear corrupted data. Remember, regular console maintenance, like deleting unused apps and keeping your firmware updated, can also prevent these issues in the first place. By the way, users on Reddit's r/Roblox and rps5 often share helpful tips too, so check those out.